chose this duct paste. My thumbs are losing circulation. I mean, on my thumbs, but I can still point to you. Bang bang. Hey guys, it's Rilyn Dinyae, and today I'm here with Amber, and we are going to be doing the no thumbs challenge. So let's get started. I chose this duct tape with campers and flamingos and little squiggly things.
And then I chose these little whales.
The first challenge is peel an orange.
Can I use my teeth? What the? I don't have long nails like that.
Whoops.
What?
Sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
Got it. I'm going into the orange, not taking off the skin.
Woo!
Cut 2 strips of paper. Go. Got it.
Write your first name in cursive.
Oh, mine was small.
Who won? We tied.
Make a sandwich. What the heck? What the heck? Why isn't it cut? Is it coming out? Oh, yep, it's out.
I won. Look how good that looks.
No, mine looks better than that. So I think I won that.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Zip a coat.
Open and eat a cheese curl.
Ready, set, go. Put on lipstick. I did it.
Mine looks better.
I did it first though. Put your hair in a ponytail.
I can't find my ponytail. My thumb's coming out.
I did it. Dang it! I got my strings.
I couldn't even get mine up. Make slime.
This is my slime called Silver Night. It's very soft and stretchy, and we have some beautiful 24 karat silver.
This is my slime, and it is called Pink with Silver in it. It's very soft. It's super stretchy too. And it just fun to play with.
Comment down below whose slime was better.
Do we tell them
Text
we're texting them? Or?
Amber likes wacky whales to Luke.
Text Rylan likes crazy campers to Ryan.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below who you think won and whose slime looked better. I love you guys so much. Bye!